tasting. It's very encouraging. And
And then he pops you. Yes.
No, that's a rescue of a grandchild from an invading neighbour.
Oh.
You know, for after, you know, when we go.
So what do we do?
I want us to clear right or just put all the food in the middle and put the food in
I want to put the food kind of like in the middle. But random, yeah. Anyway, you got it. Okay. That's the salad dressing I made. Yeah, I'm just gonna use it on the salad now. To use fennel in the butter, so I think it kind of like makes sense. Yes. And then maybe we can pick a few fresh fennel leaves for the, or well, we can just use any flowers.
Is that a pumpkin bread?
So Ian made this bread for us.
It has roasted onions and I think mustard. Where are you gonna put the bread?
I think I'm just gonna put it next to that. That's on this block.
Okay. Then I'm moving. Sorrel, sweet potato leaves, garlic, toasted sunflower seeds, some lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. Did I miss anything, guys? Correctly. You
Chili.
Guys. Chili. Yeah, and we put a bit of chili, not on the pesto, but in the salad. Amazing. Then here we have the wild greens salad. This one had New Zealand spinach, sorrel, speckboom, num num berries, rocket flowers. There is definitely wild rocket in there. Mustard leaves. Am I missing anything? Maybe you guys have made the salad? No? Judy? Did I mention anything?
I was watching it. You were perfect.
Okay,
As far as
fantastic.
I'm concerned, I don't remember anymore.
Thank you. And I made the dressing. I brought it from home actually, which is this one in case you guys want extra. It's toasted sesame seeds with fresh limes from the farm, olive oil, some smoked paprika powder, and salt and pepper. That's pretty much what's in the dressing. This is a baba ganoush I made yesterday with the reject eggplants from the farm. Then here we have the Nasturtium Wraps, which have dal inside and fresh pomegranate seeds. This is Ian's freshly baked bread with caramelized onions and mustard. And I don't know if he put turmeric, but I think he might have because of the color.
Yeah, there's two.
There is turmeric, confirmed. Then let's move on. We have a Mediterranean pasta salad with olives, wild rocket, lime, toasted sesame seeds, and fresh spinach from the garden, and also some olive oil. Did I forget something?
Salt.
That was it, and salt, and pepper.
I'm known for no memories.
Then here there is some pesto, which is the same one that went into the couscous, but you guys can just have it on its own. Then we have the eggplant fritters. They have fennel mixed into the butter. And we have a coleslaw and grated green pawpaw salad with homemade mayo. I think that's pretty much what's in there, guys. And there are some toasted seeds as well. Cool, that's about it. And there is a cheese selection, which is they didn't come from the farm, but it's just there is some goat bean, one cheese with cranberries, cheddar cheese, fresh figs, and some grapes as well. And I'm gonna get everyone plates, and you can order a seat.